Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and if you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. So this is episode 5 of my collage butterfly series. So this will be the last video in the playlist, and if you haven't seen it, I'll put it down in or back in the at the end of the end screen, so you guys can come check it out. I'll make sure it's in the end screen so you can see the playlist. This will be the last episode of me making one, and then my very last episode that I'll do is showing you guys a printout and stuff of my of the digitals of all of them, and we could do some fun things with it. So this will be almost the second to the last video. So what I have here and what I'm going to be using is just some table scraps that I have, just any kind of papers that you got. So I just got some avocado dyed and onion dyed and all that good stuff. And I'm just going to glue that down with my, it's 50-50 water and glue, which is Elmer's and just water. Okay, and let's see, what else am I going to be throwing in here? So I'll be doing that. Plus I'll be doing some deli papers that I stenciled on with you guys. And I will put that at the end screen if you guys want to see how I did that, which just is really fun. I did some spackling. So I got the lightweight just spackling that we did on here, and I've been using this throughout the series. Some fun gold stenciling, and I did some reinforcements, which are really cool. Oh, here they are. So I just took the reinforcements, laid them down, and then made those into a stencil. Plus, I can use these in the project. So we're gonna have those. Some pretty papers that'll be towards the top that you can see through some of them. Maybe some circle stencil I might throw in there that I did just circle punches. Let's see. So we're going to do some Rit dye. Just different colors. I got evening blue, aqua blue. And I know I'll be using Mars Black and Gold. I got these just from Walmart. Oh, and the paper I'm using is, I got this from Walmart also. It's just a watercolor 9x12, 40 pound, 300 GSM, and it works pretty good. It does a good job. It gets a little warpy. Like, it gets a little, that's why I tape it, because it kind of bumps and warps a little bit, and then I just make sure to press it. I got my press that I just press them down in when they're dry. Let's see, so I got gesso, crackle paste. These will be down in my Amazon links. And then just watered down gesso is great to use. And I know towards the end I'll be doing some distressed oxide, black soot. And then, of course, I need to cut out and get something ready. This is the material I'm using. And I'm using this, and I'm gonna cut it, and I'll find some fun ways to place it on, and we'll go from there. So I will do this in a time lapse, and I will pop in towards the middle or so, and we'll talk about what I put down, because sometimes I grab other things and I just want to make sure you guys are all caught up and stuff. And oh yeah, I'll be gluing these down too. These are just little ends that I cut off on around the edge here. I just cut them off, and it's got goodness on it. So I just cut them and get them glued down for some fun background, just texture and stuff. So yeah, so I will pop back on and we'll go from there. All right, before I go to the next step here of gluing all this down, I wanted to talk about what I did so far. So what I did was I put down the deli paper here with our stencils on it. So I put down some images with the glue and water mixture. Added some reinforcements. Did some circles with my Skylight Studio. It's extra soft, little pencil. And then I went through with my graphic pencil here and did all that. Just little marks, just made fun little marks all the way around. Okay, and then, let's see, added the spackling. I don't think I have any left. I think I used it all, but I did it on deli paper. I made a stencil on deli paper, so I did that all around here to give it a little texture. Let's see, and then I think that's it for now. And what I'm going to do now is go ahead and glue down my pretty fabrics here and do some splattering at the end. I'm also debating if I want to do just a little bit of coffee in the corners here, just a little bit, because I wanted to make this one lighter. I wanted to keep this one lighter. So there's a couple of different shades, you know, to use in the digitals that I'm doing. So I have some darker ones, and I was thinking I needed a couple lighter ones, but I think I'm going to add just a little bit of maybe some just coffee around the corners and just do a little bit of darker. But yeah, so that's where I'm at so far, and I'm going to go ahead and continue, and I will pop back in at the end here. And make sure, if you guys are enjoying this, to hit the like button and subscribe, hit the notification, and please comment down below if you guys are enjoying this. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, I'll pop back in later. All right, so I am finished. I just got done outlining it with the gold, and I think it turned out really cool. So I'm glad I did the coffee around the edges. I think that turned out nice. Threw in some reinforcements that I painted black, put down the fabric, and yeah, I think it turned out pretty cool. You can see all the different layers in it, all the goodness here. Yeah, so I think it turned out pretty darn good here. And I hope you guys enjoyed this whole process of how I collage and put everything together. And I love the journey, you know. I'd like to talk about that for a second. Just the journey of it, and the layering aspect is just so much fun to me. Even though if you cover up things underneath, it's all about getting there, you know, and it's all about the experience, and it's all about the therapeutic feel of it and getting to a point of the end, you know, of the finished product. And it's just all seriously about the journey to me. And I really love the way it all turns out, and at the end, it's just so much fun. I mean, really, I would love to hear in the comments what you guys think about it. And yeah, I would love to hear, you know, different ways that you guys have done them and put together your collages, and, you know, how it makes you feel and all that. I'd love to hear all that in the comments. So please feel free to comment. And these will be, the digitals will be in my Etsy shop. By the time you guys see this video, I'll have the link down below, and you don't have to come purchase if you don't want to. Just come favor my shop, helps me out a lot, or favor the digitals, and that really helps my shop get out there. And I really do appreciate your guys' support. So I hope you found this inspirational, and if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together and keep on crafting.